Okay, it's Monday, and today, well, over the weekend, I went with my wife to DI, and we sorted through all of their metal baskets, and we ended up picking the shower organizing basket for a whopping $1.50. Oh, that's awkward. We paid $1 for it. There's two stickers on here. One says $1, one says, I didn't notice that. We paid $1 for it. Okay, there's the materials for this project. We got some Apple Barrel brand pewter gray matte finish acrylic paint, quick drying, easy cleanup. Got this
board?
Yeah, this is gonna be for the boards. So we picked this out at Walmart yesterday, and I think it was 50 cents. We've had this, and then we got a can of white spray paint, just the cheapest one. How much was this, you said, Crystal? Like
96 cents.
96 cents. So I just recorded myself painting this, except I had it on reverse, so it was recording what was behind it. So I basically got 7 minutes of that. So there it is, painted. It's not dry yet, that's why it kind of looks like it's two different tones, and I'm going to put a second coat on it. So I'll at least get that on camera. Sorry, beginner here. I got noob problems. Okay, while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this to paint. So I'm gonna chop off the metal that doesn't need to be there, remove those price tags, and wash it up with some isopropyl alcohol to try and get the paint to stick to it better. And hang it, and then we'll paint it. So here we go.
Pay attention to the street lights. I miss the beauty of the meaningful sights. I felt the thrill at every invite, but they're forgotten on the bitter cold nights. I search for clear blue skies, and the yearning shows in my eyes, but the dark covers my sight.
Alright, did you cut it up, Zeke?
Yeah.
You did a good job. Yes, you did. Alright, so there it is. That's what it looks like after it's been chopped up. Hey, can you leave this up on the wall, please? Like that? Okay. Remove some stickers, hang it, paint it.
Push me up the hill as I backpedal. We're near the summit, but you won't settle. Wish you saw the truth that you see. Have the faith that you have in me. Though now I speak as a child, a man would never ever lied. I want to see the future in this moment.
Okay, I'm gonna do a second coat on this guy. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy phone holder. There we go. Hopefully I got it facing the right direction this time. Sure thing. Okay, here we go.
And it's me. I have to walk this road alone. So I'll plead away from the bonds I feel and I see. I could be stuck here in the cold, and I'm free. I'm breaking the bonds I feel tonight.
Okay, time to do a second coat of white spray paint on the metal wire basket thingy. So here we go. the second coat is dry on this, and the second coat is dry on this. And we ran to, make sure this is nice and straight. We ran to Home Depot, and we spent $3 on some hardware. Half of which is for another project. So about $1.50 for these guys. Actually, it's $2 for these guys. And they are just some clamps that we're going to use to secure this to the boards. So let's get started. Okay, there you have it. You might be wondering, why is it so off-center, up and down? We're going to put some hooks right here. Last minute decision. 3 or 4 hooks so we can hang things. And it's gonna go there. Looks pretty good.
Awesome.
Maybe in part 3 we'll show you what it looks like with some hooks and with some stuff in it.
Yep.
So there you go for now.
To let the past go and